Tor Alva, known as the White Tower, is a 30-meter-tall 3D-printed cultural landmark in Mulegns, a remote village in the Swiss Alps. Developed by Nova Fundazione Origin in collaboration with ETH Zurich, the tower was conceived as both a cultural hub and a catalyst for revitalizing Mulegns, which today has only 11 residents. Construction began in February 2024 with robotic 3D printing of its first 8 hollow columns at ETH Zurich's Hungerberg campus. The prefabricated components were transported to Mulegns and assembled on the site of a former blacksmith's workshop. Tor Alva was officially unveiled on May 20, 2025, and opened to the public for daily tours on May 23rd, with staged performances scheduled from July 2025 onward. The structure is planned to remain in Mulegns for 5 years before being dismantled and rebuilt elsewhere. Designed by architects Michael Hansmeyer and Benjamin Dillenberger, Tor Alva demonstrates the potential of digital fabrication and computational design in architecture. The tower features 32 intricately patterned columns arranged over 4 levels, evoking a layered cake as a tribute to local confectioners who historically emigrated from Graubünden. Robots applied soft concrete in thin, continuous layers, embedding steel rings every 20 centimeters for reinforcement, eliminating the need for traditional formwork. Longitudinal rebars were added after printing, and all components are connected with removable screws and post-tensioning cables, allowing modular assembly and disassembly. The project represents a breakthrough in 3D-printed structural architecture, marking one of the first uses of additive manufacturing for fully load-bearing elements. The custom concrete mix hardens quickly yet bonds seamlessly, reducing material use and carbon emissions. Inside, visitors ascend a spiral staircase through sculptural column-lined interiors to a vaulted concert hall at the top floor, offering views of the Julier Valley. Tor Alva merges advanced robotics, materials science, and architectural heritage, reinterpreting Baroque craftsmanship through cutting-edge technology.